How to download ebooks from Google Books and that are totally legal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can download an ebook from Google Books that is totally free and legal. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome and search for Google Books. Once you search for it, you will see the books.google.com. You just want to open this link. It will take you to the website where you can search for books. So here you can search for title of any book that you'd like to read. For now, I'm just gonna search for any book related to business. And if I tap on OK, here I can see different options that are available. You can filter out your books using these options. So if you click here on the drop down, you can see preview and full view. So any view you can choose from here. And if you have any document preferences like books, magazines, or newspapers, you can filter it out from here. And from the 21st century or 20th, or if you want old books, you can choose custom range. And here on advanced book search, you can see all of these different options. So let's say if I want to select this book right here, I can click on full view and it will take me to the book information right here. Now here I have access to this entire book, and if you want to download, what you want to do is just go back, click on the book and click on this full view option. First you want to choose your filter to preview and full view mode. So doing this will give you this preview option from where you can access the download button. So if you click on preview right here and close this out, you can see the download button. It's not available on this book, but if you just go back and select another book, like so, here you'll see an option to add to my library and you can download it from here easily. And that's how you can download ebooks completely for free on Google Books. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.